Will someone help me?
The sun was setting, but inside the house, everyone was lost in their own world. Phones, tablets, and the TV filled the silence.
Put the screens away.
Why? I'm almost done. Just a few more minutes.
No. That's what you always say. We're all here, but no one is really together. That's so sad. I feel alone in my own home. I'm always working, always taking care of things, and no one notices.
I didn't know you felt like that. Mom, why are you feeling like that? I just want to play for some more time.
That's the problem. No one really cares for me.
Will someone help me?
We can help. Tell us what to do.
We all will help you.
Okay, thank you. First, just sit here. No screens. Notice how quiet this feels.
I'll have a meeting at the office tomorrow, so I have to respond. How was your day at school?
It was good. I learned something new today.
That's great. Want to tell me about it?
Sure, it was really interesting. Okay, Mom, good night. Good night, Mom. Okay, I will play later.
What are you doing here? I think Mom is coming. Keep it away and go to sleep.
I think they both are playing Let Me See.
What's it, Mom?
Are you sleeping?
Yes, I am.
I heard sounds. Why are you looking so sleepy? You look tired. What happened? Is everything okay?
I am fine, Mom. Just a little tired.
I think you were playing late. Now go and get ready for school.
Okay.
Walk faster. I can't concentrate.
Are you okay? You look tired.
I am feeling so sleepy.
Hey, why are you sleeping?
Oh,
I need to talk
Talk
to your
to-
parents.
Are we reaching? Hi, Mom.
Your teacher called me to complain today.
Oh, what did she say?
She said you weren't paying attention in class. Is that so?
I'm sorry, I'll do better next time.
Mom, he was playing late and didn't let me sleep.
Oh no.
Is that true? You both need to follow the rules at night. No more late playing from now on.
Okay, I understand.
Let me check if he is sleeping.
Oh no, I think Mom has come.
So you're playing again at night? I'll have to tell Dad.
No, Mom, I won't do it again. I'll go to bed on time.
I've heard you've been playing late at night again.
Yes, boss.
You need to follow the rules and get enough sleep.
Okay, I will go to bed on time. I'm sorry, Dad. I won't do it anymore.
The boy listened to his parents and started going to bed on time. Soon he felt more active, happy, and did well in school. Proud of him, the family planned a fun outing together. They spent a joyful day, laughing and making happy memories.
Spread the blanket, watch it fly. Answer marching, say